Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 33rd week of pregnancy in this video. In the 33rd week, it is important to take foods that are rich in vitamins C and K. Cauliflower is a low-calorie vegetable that's high in essential nutrients, including vitamins C and K, folate, and various minerals like potassium and calcium. These nutrients are crucial for both the mother's health and the baby's development. Cauliflower peas masala. Ingredients: cauliflower, 500 grams, fresh green peas, 100 grams, ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, chili powder, 2 teaspoons, garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon, onion chopped, 1 medium, tomato chopped, 1 medium, oil, 3 teaspoons, salt to taste. Cauliflower peas masala. For the 33rd week, let us see how to make this. Clean cauliflower and set aside. In a kadai, pour oil, add chopped onion and saute well. Add tomatoes and ginger garlic paste. Now, add cauliflower, peas and saute well, then add chili powder, garam masala powder and salt. Now, mix well, add half cup of water and close with a lid. Once vegetables cooked, stir for few minutes. Just before serving, give it a final stir, and enjoy this dish piping hot. Cauliflower peas masala. The curry's ingredients, including cauliflower and peas, contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. The water content in vegetables contributes to hydration, crucial during pregnancy when blood volume increases. And then, hope you liked the 33rd week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.